Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on G&L Challenges. Today I'm going to be doing the triple play pack opening on Call of Duty Black Ops 3. If you're wondering what it is, it's where you have to win 100 games in order to open up the supply drops that you get. So before we get into this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment and then subscribe if you're new, and then we'll give you more, and you'll be getting more content, won't you? So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So as you can see, we've got the 10 supply drop bundle, the ranged weapon and the melee weapon. So we're going to start off with the 10 supply drops first. Absolutely shambolical, for Christ's sake. Rubbish. Purely rubbish. Really? I haven't wasted my time. For Christ's sake! Mate, I've basically wasted my whole time doing this. Like doing 100 games, that wasn't so bad. But, Jesus Christ. Wasting my time. Oh! Get up! Buzzing! I am buzzing! Oh, thank you, Lord! I've just got the Empire camo, the limited edition camo. Thank you! That means I've got both limited edition. I am buzzing! Get up! Right. Crap. Purely crap. Again, sunshine's not too bad. Last one. Rubbish. Alright, let's get into the melee weapon. Bruh. You got to be kidding me. For Christ's sake, I got the wrench. Yes! 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 No way, I've been wanting the MX Grand for ages and I finally got it. Get in! No way! Oh, brilliant. That wasn't such a bad pack opening at all. Although I did get a lot of comments in it, but that's not the point, so. Anyways, that has come to the end of the video, guys. So like I said at the start of the video, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to the channel for more content. Peace!